Okay, this video is for Section F, running custom indexes. A custom index is when you can generate a list of all books with a certain characteristic using a search field other than author, title, or subject. You might do a custom index by Dewey number or reading level. First thing we would do is click on Reports and then move over to the left for Library Reports. One of the things I was shown how to do is a title and copy list. This list is a list of your collection with optional copy detail. So we'll click on that. And since we don't want to do everything just by title, my media specialist uses this report for date the copies are added. After a certain date, we'll pick after January 1st. Click Save. And here it says Show Titles Only. But you could also pick all copies, available copies, checked out copies, copies loaned out, copies on hold, copies on order, copies out for repairs, copies in transit, or lost copies. Up here, I forgot to say there's, on the date or before the date. Here we picked after the date. My media specialist generally will run this once a month and put the list at the desk so the students can see what is new in the collection. And here we're going to run the report. It shows it's pending. It's a little slow sometimes. Hit refresh list. And then you can hit view. And here it shows all the copies that were added after the date of January 1st. So this is all the stuff that's new in the collection since January 1st. So that way the students can look at the list, and if something catches their eye, they can look for it on the shelf. Okay. Now another report for a custom index. We would come to Reports, and then over here on the left to Report Builder. Now you want to make sure over here on the right that you check New Report. Click on that. Now you have an option here of General, Library, and Patron. We're going to use Library. And since we want to do something, we're going to use Titles, and come over here and click Next. Now here's where you can choose information you wish to include in your report, like the Lexile number, which would help with the reading level. We want to have the title, so we would know what that is. And let's click the author too. No, let's not. Let's just do it with 2. Lexile for reading level, and then title, because you need to know what you're looking for. Here you can group your levels. First we'll show the Lexile, and then the title. And then this is ascending or descending. What's your choice? Click the Next button. If you had more than 2 columns, we only have 2 here, but you would specify the column order from left to right in which you want the details of your report to appear. And here you would specify the order in which you want the details of your report to be sorted. And here you're going to indicate how the information report is to be summarized. And now here are limiters that indicate which records you want to include or exclude from your report. For instance, maybe we want to come down here for subject, and maybe we want it to contain only things about animals. And click Next. And I'm going to call this custom index test report. Here's a place for description. Animals only. Come over here to the right, hit save and run. So it's going to build your report. Pending. The dreaded word pending means it might take a minute. Oh, completed. So we can view it. Now it looks like there's nothing here. So you click view report. And this is your Lexile numbers. Now these are all titles that have the subject of animals because that's our limiter. And as we scroll down, we're going to find some Lexile numbers. The first ones are just no Lexile numbers, but here we go. And now we've got the title, and they're all about animals, and here's your Lexile numbers. And that's a report. Okay.